this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung phone, and this is somewhat easy to do. So this is for like a small karaoke machine or something like that. I'm just going to swipe down from the top right, and we can go to the button for Bluetooth and just hold down on it right here if we want. We can find it and it will quickly connect it. Otherwise, go to settings, and then we can go to connected devices. And then sometimes it will be connected devices, like on my my Google Pixel phone right here. You can go to that section. Otherwise, you have to go to the first option. So you can see connected devices right here. It will bring you to Bluetooth. But on my Samsung phone, for some reason, we have to go to connections. And then we have to hold down on Bluetooth right here and just tap that. And now we're under the same page. So turn on your speaker, and you can usually see like a Bluetooth or a mode button that might work. Otherwise, you just have to turn it on. It'll automatically go to Bluetooth mode. So it says it's literally in Bluetooth mode. And then go to scan. Otherwise, it might be doing it automatically. And then just tap it. So this one is the P12. It can have a random name like this one does. And then go to pair. So we can hear it. So Bluetooth is connected. Now if I play any kind of music, it should be coming through this speaker. So you just have to figure out how to get into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So a lot of times with these speakers, just turn it on and it'll show up on here. Otherwise, there'll be like a button. You could try hitting the M mode button, or there'll be a Bluetooth specific button on there. So it is now connected. At any point in time, we can just go to it, and then we can go to unpair, and we can disconnect it completely from our phone.
Bluetooth disconnected.
And it's now disconnected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.
Power off.